All right. All right, so these folks are You know you're not supposed to do plumbing work at night, right?
Your fucking life, mate.
What? I'm filing complaints. What did you say to me? Say that again, please. Ah, there we go. 2 trucks.
Listen, mate, you've got nothing better to do with your time.
Well, you guys are bothering me. I can't sleep. It is 1:18 in the morning.
You know what helps you sleep, mate? Going to bed.
Or else? I am filing a complaint. Thank you very much. There we go. I'm sorry, are you the boss guy? So are you the boss, or is that guy the boss?
You stink of alcohol, mate.
I stink of alcohol?
Yeah.
Well, I'm recording everything.
Well, you stink of alcohol. Maybe
No, you stink of alcohol.
Do I?
It smells like it smells like what? Marijuana in there? Yeah, it does.
smells like marijuana.
Mate, if you don't stop harassing us, I'll call the police.
I'm not please call the police right now. Please call the police right now. I'm waiting.